What if you just die afterward? What? I've never died in this game. I don't know what you're talking about. Finger whistle. Yes. Yummy. Okay. Fire! Oh, I got point. Yum, 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 yum. In the background, it's like, guys, I have this brilliant idea. I'm gonna jump. I'm still falling. The farther you walk, the burner below. Standing on the edge. Don't know me, unpredictable. Typical you. Got nowhere to go. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Woohoo! So I can just skip. Wow. We'll see. Wow. Oh, depending on well, hey streamer, have you considered getting good? Hey, have you maybe considered? How about maybe, huh? What do you mean? What do you use a good get? You get it good? One sec, I'm hacking the game. Not gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna wrap your back, never gonna tell you what, never gonna to burn if you hurt you, never gonna give you up, and never gonna give you up. That's how the song goes, by the way. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna give you up. No! Never gonna give you up. Never gonna wreck you down. Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna give you up. Okay, fine. I'll take care of the cannon guys. Oh! I'm doing so well. I was doing really well. Okay. Woohoo! Almost. My website is not loading. Oh, it's not loading. Mama, I love this BTM.